Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can block numbers on your HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro. For that you want to go to your phone icon and then click on these four little dots here and then click on blocked. And here you have two different options. First it says block unwanted callers and filter spam messages. So if you click on call block rules, you have the option to enable and disable all these things on their own. So block all incoming calls, trustless numbers won't be blocked. So this will block all incoming calls but the ones on the trust list. Block unknown numbers, so this will block all unknown numbers or block private or withheld numbers. So this will block everyone who's calling with a hidden number. You can enable these and disable these like you want. As you saw, when you enable block all incoming calls, then you don't have the option to enable these two, but that makes sense since you block all incoming calls but the ones on the trust list. When you go back, you have the option message block rules. If you click on that, you can block unknown numbers to message you, so you won't get any messages from unknown numbers. You can enable and disable it as you like. When you click on this little settings symbol here, you have the same again here on the top, but you can also see who is on your block list. You can add people here. You can say add manually, so you just need to put in a phone number, block prefix, add from contacts, from call log, or from messages. When you go back, you have your trust list here, so you can add numbers there to your trust list. Keyword block list, no keywords, messages containing these words, these keywords will be blocked. So that might be good for like if you get a lot of spam messages. They often have like words staying out that can be detected, and then you can put a keyword in here and then everything with like that title or these words will be blocked. You will receive notification all blocks and non-block list blocks or never. You can customize that as you like. And if you're done with all your blocking and trust list customization, you can just go back and then no one will reach out to you anymore but the ones on the trust list or just spam callers or whatever you've put in there. So that's how you block numbers on your HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro. I hope you liked it. I hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.